How to look at downvoted post on Reddit app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can look at downvoted post on Reddit app. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up the Reddit application on your device, and once you open it up, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. You should get an interface like this. Now, as you know, if you want to devote, all you have to do is tap on the downvote option there below the post that you see, the downward facing arrow icon. Now, how you can look at all your downvoted posts. Now it's quite simple. All you have to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen, and at the bottom you can see the history there at the bottom right above the settings option. Once you tap on history, here you'll get an interface like this. Now I don't have any history, but there you can see at the top left corner the recent option. You want to simply tap on recent option, and you can see the upvoted option, and you can see downvoted option. Simply tap on downvoted option and you'll be able to see all your downvoted posts here. So this way you can look at downvoted posts on Reddit app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.